I'm Ruchi Jain. I'm the CEO and founder of Taru Naturals. Taru means tree in Sanskrit, which is a network of small-scale farmers. At Taru Naturals, we provide small-scale farmer services from across the value chain, which means we provide climate-resilient agriculture trainings, natural farming trainings. In India, we are 50% agriculture, out of which 70% is small-scale farmers, and we believe that natural farming can really provide a solution for climate adaptation, which means that they utilize their natural resources at the local level to make biopesticides, biofertilizers, and indigenous seeds. So the productivity of the land also goes up, whereas they are using natural resources to break themselves from a debt-ridden cycle. A small-scale farmer at the end is an entrepreneur, and he or she has to be handheld across the value chain, which means that a small-scale farmer grows very few crops. The quality may not be as good as what the market requires, but in the multi-cropping system which he is actually following, we are able to make sure that he finds a market through the small-scale technology intervention, through the pricing, the branding, the logistics, supply chain, and the holistic model of climate resilient agriculture. And I can give you an example for that. We work with Tushar Dada at the local level in Purandar. So when we started working with him, he did not have a market in Mumbai. But through our natural farming trainings in the start, it really brought about a lot of change in the farmers in Purandar, because it is a place where there is naturally a lot of drought and rivers have dried out. And every January, if you see, the stream dries out and the farmers have a lot of problem in livelihood. So through the natural farming trainings, we were able to actually give them a solution wherein on the field they've started using things like Jeevamrut and indigenous seeds, started focusing on their indigenous crops like millets. And the second prong of our business model is that we give them market intelligence. We also create supply chain logistics connectivity for the farmers and help them to do value addition. The third prong of our business model is creating a market. So before Tushar Dada started working with us, he had probably 4 to 5 customers in Mumbai. And along the way, while working with us, we are now able to create, say, 1,000 customers for him in Mumbai, which is a huge success story for him. So this entire chain is an agro ecosystem we are creating for the small-scale farmer, which is as good as an effective climate adaptation model we are creating for the farmer. So we at Taru Naturals are ensuring that this entire cycle from the farm to the table, farm to the market, is actually an agro ecosystem model which is sustainable. And this is how we are completing the entire loop, which is the most successful climate change solution which we can give to the small scale farmer. Currently at Taru Naturals, we have many products, and Taru has become a brand which stands for retail, exports, restaurants, and that is only possible because of this basic foundation we have created for every small scale farmer. Give it turmeric farmer, give it black rice, give it khapli atta, all those different models, each of them have a successful supply chain agro ecosystem backed by a small scale farmer group or a small scale farmer. Thank you.